guys, I got this mystery box. You can get cards, figures, rare figures, hats, lots of things. So are you ready to open it, everybody? And don't forget to like this video if you like it. Isn't this tiny little guy so cute? Got a Pokeball. Oh! Oh my God! This is a GX. And there's cards. Yeah. I can't believe it. I'm not going to show you all the cards, but I'm going to show you some. Okay, guys? These are not cards. Well, some of these are not. So let's just leave these guys to me. I see a figure in here. Here's the last card and the figure. So, bye guys, and have a good time. This was actually a quick video. So.